Here we have one of our mini offices. These are one of our most popular buildings. At 1.8 metres by 2.4 metres, they make the perfect little office. On this mini office, we've created a canopy over the front, somewhere to shelter, to have a little dining table, to sit and have your coffee when you're not working. We've also built this on one of our deck bases. Deck bases are fantastic for when you've got difficult access, you've got sloping sites, or you just want a bit of decking out in front of your garden building.